know we have a very special program kay Muraog, pero mintigid ta mga kaigsunan nga natay mga nindot nga programa sa atong mga kadagkuan. However, we weren't able to have yet a program for our kids. So this very afternoon, we have a total, if I'm not mistaken, a total of 39 kids during our Vacation Bible School throughout the week, which started last July 1. And today will be our culmination. So ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters in Christ, let's all welcome our Vacation Bible School class pupils.